We're here in Dunnville, Ontario, ready to shoot our SuperClean 12-hour makeover video. Jay Summers owns a garage, specializes in classic cars. And keeping your classic car clean is important. But so is degreasing and keeping your shop professional and clean as well. Jay was a little unsure if we're gonna be able to pull this off, but we're gonna do it, we're gonna degrease it and make it spotless. All right, it's been another 12-hour makeover and a full day here at Jay Summers Garage. We degreased, we cleaned it, and now the shop's looking beautiful.
I was in awe. I couldn't believe he could do it. I've used a lot of cleaning products in my life, and I was really shocked at the walls and the equipment. Really good people, and a really good product. I'd like to get them here once a year. SuperClean, it does the trick.
I told you, Jay, we could do it. See you next time.